Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Quick and Easy Meals, and this is being hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle and Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. So now, just as the title says, Quick and Easy Meals, this also includes cooking out, grilling, whatever it is that you guys like to do, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, even desserts, guys. So it includes baking. Whatever you guys like to do, just let me know. Use the hashtag and I will upload your video to the playlist. Now, prior to today, the collab was called Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track, and it was hosted at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what I decided to do was go ahead and change the name, change the time, and we are going to try something new because we're also adding grilling, we're adding outdoor cooking, and so this is going to make it fun for the spring and summer, and you just don't want to miss it. Come and join me. I would love to have you. Okay, so in today's video, as you can see, I already started cutting up these potatoes into French fries. We're making steak and fries, guys, for today. So I'm going to leave you with a little bit of music and go ahead and start cooking. So remember your seasoning according to your liking. With the French fries, you can go ahead and add some like seasoning, Cajun seasoning, or just regular salt. I think I'm just using regular salt here. And then I'm going to salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano the steak. And then we're going to go ahead and air fry that. So it's pretty simple today, and I hope that you enjoy this recipe. So now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And share the video, guys, and comment below because I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to click that like button. So now I am getting the french fries, gotta go check on the steak, and pretty much we're almost ready to plate this, and then I'm gonna show you or take you over to the reveal. I think this looks absolutely amazing. So let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.